Welcome to our channel Agriculture and Technology. In this video, we are going to see how to build a PVC greenhouse. Building a PVC greenhouse is a great way to extend your growing season and protect your plants from extreme weather conditions. While there are many different ways to build a greenhouse, using PVC pipe is one of the most popular methods. PVC greenhouse plans are readily available online and in many gardening books. Follow these 10 steps to build your own PVC greenhouse. 1. Choose a location for your greenhouse. 2. It should be in an area that gets plenty of sunlight and has good drainage. 3. Decide on the size of your greenhouse. 4. PVC greenhouse plans are available in many different sizes. 5. Choose a size that will accommodate the number of plants you want to grow. 6. Purchase the PVC pipe and fittings needed to construct your greenhouse. 7. Make sure to get the correct size pipe and fittings for the size greenhouse you are building. 8. Assemble the PVC frame of your greenhouse according to the PVC greenhouse plans you are using. 9. Cover the frame with polyethylene film or another type of greenhouse material. You can use greenhouse clamps to secure the plastic sheeting to the frame. 10. If you want, add other features like shelves, ventilation windows, or automatic vents to your greenhouse. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.